Not only as a kitchen spice, there are various health benefits of coriander. However, coriander should not be used carelessly to treat certain conditions, because it can cause side effects for some people. Coriander sativum, both leaves and seeds, can be used as a spice in cooking as well as medicine. As a traditional medicine, coriander seeds are usually used by drying or grinding to make herbal drinks such as herbs, herbal teas, or coriander water. Coriander contains various nutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. All these nutrients are good for the health of the body. The following are some of the benefits of coriander that you can get. One. Overcoming digestive disorders. One of the most well-known benefits of coriander is to overcome digestive disorders, such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea, flatulence, and constipation. In addition, this one herbal plant is also believed to be able to reduce pain due to irritable bowel syndrome. You can get these benefits from the oil extracted from coriander seeds. Several studies have also revealed that coriander seed oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, so it is thought to reduce inflammation and bacterial infections in the digestive tract. 2. Prevent food poisoning. Coriander is known to contain antimicrobial compounds that can fight certain infections and prevent food poisoning. For example, the content of deodocenyl compounds in coriander is known to be able to fight salmonella bacteria that cause food poisoning. In addition to the function of coriander as an antidote, you still need to pay attention to cleanliness when processing and consuming food. For example, washing food ingredients before cooking, cooking food thoroughly, and washing hands with soap and water before handling food. 3. Fight free radicals. Apart from being an antimicrobial, coriander is also efficacious as an antioxidant that can prevent the dangers of free radicals, one of which is chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Some of the active compounds that have antioxidant properties in coriander include terpenin, quercetin, and tocopherol. Not only as antioxidants, all these compounds also have anti-cancer effects. Some studies state that the antioxidants and anti-cancer in coriander can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. However, the benefits of coriander as a cancer prevention or treatment still need to be studied further. 4. Lowering blood sugar levels. The next benefit of coriander is to lower blood sugar levels. This is because coriander seeds can stimulate the production of the hormone insulin in the body and improve its function, thereby preventing the buildup of sugar in the blood. Because coriander has a blood sugar lowering effect, people who have low blood sugar or are taking anti-diabetic drugs need to be careful when consuming coriander. In addition to the benefits of coriander above, this spice is also known to reduce inflammation in the brain, improve memory, reduce symptoms of anxiety, and prevent osteoporosis. Coriander side effects to watch out for. Coriander, which is used as a spice in cooking, is generally safe for consumption. However, pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, as well as people with hypotension and diabetes need to be careful in consuming coriander, especially if you want to use coriander as an herbal medicine that is consumed regularly. The reason: coriander is known to interfere with the treatment of certain diseases, including diabetes and low blood pressure. In addition, if you have a history of allergies after consuming coriander, you are not advised to eat it again to prevent the recurrence of allergy symptoms. To get the maximum benefits of coriander and keep it safe for consumption, you should first consult a doctor, especially if you want to use it as an herbal medicine. Alright guys, enough of our video. Hopefully useful, and see you